I'm Lance Cornick, staff attorney with the Legal Aid Society's Wage Dispute Project. I was asked to share a few tips on how best to navigate through a wage dispute. By the time clients get to my office, they've usually been unpaid or underpaid, so it's best if you apply this advice at the beginning of the employment relationship. First, although it's not always possible, try to have a written contract signed by both parties. Oral contracts are enforceable in Florida, but they are hard to prove. Second, keep your own records. Most people are covered by minimum wage laws, which require the employer to keep the records. But in the event that you're not covered by the minimum wage laws or the employer keeps poor records, it's best to at least keep the day that you work, the time that you clock in, the time that you clock out, and if you move around a lot, keep track of the locations where you did the work. Third, keep your pay stubs. Pay stubs give us valuable information that tell us when your work weeks began and end, your hourly rate or your commission rate, and they also create a record of payment. If you're paid in cash or paid with a check without a pay stub, make sure that you deposit the full amount of that into your bank account and then withdraw from there, so at least you have a record of that payment. At the very least, write down how much you were paid for that work week. Lastly, if you quit or you've been terminated, be sure to return all of the employer's property. You don't want to give them any excuse not to pay you. In closing, if you follow these tips and have the misfortune of being involved in a wage dispute, you'll be in a better position for negotiating a resolution or litigating your case. Thanks.